So hi guys, welcome to Shakira Speaks, and in today's commentary I'm going to be talking about the Reggae Girlz and also the Sunshine Girls, as they have surpassed all of Jamaica's expectation for them. And the first article says, following their triumph over Brazil, the Reggae Girlz are set to reap the advantage of a revised World Cup prize pool as they advance to round of 16. Under the new prize package, the Jamaicans will take home $60,000 US each for reaching to the last 16 of the Women's World Cup. In 2022, a contingent of footballers lobbied FIFA for an increase in the remuneration for the 2023 FIFA Women's Cup. They requested for a prize pool equivalent to that of the Men's World Cup, insisting that part of the prize money be allocated directly to the players. Concurrently with their request, FIFA ensured that a sizable portion of the prize purse would be directly transferred to participating players, all 732 of them. Every player is guaranteed a minimum of US $30,000, with the potential increments as their team advance in the competition. FIFA will disburse a total of $10 million to the victorious country, of which $6.21 million will be shared among the players, and the remaining $4.29 million will go to their federation. And one thing I have to say with the Reggae Girlz football team, last year they had to start a GoFundMe just for their travel expenses because the Jamaica sports that is responsible for them did not even have the money to send them to compete. They had to get their money from crowdfunding. And it shows the gender bias in our country because the reggae boys are fully funded. They are well paid. Okay, everything about their soccer team is funded, and the Reggae Girlz is not. And the fact that they're about to take home $60,000 US as a former athlete, I feel so happy for them. As my granny would have say, God nah sleep and he see and know everything, and they deserve every single penny. One thing I will say is I hope that the Jamaican government don't take any taxes out of their money, because they have a tendency to do that. These girls deserve every single dollar. Okay, they did not get the support, the love, the money, or anything that they needed from the country. They had to allocate outside support and funding. So they need to leave them alone. Let them enjoy the benefits of what they worked hard for. Okay? And thank you to every person on that team. As a Jamaican woman, I am super duper proud seeing them cry on the field after they won and made history as the first Caribbean country to enter round 16 of the World Cup, the Women's World Cup. Please know that every single Jamaican woman at home and abroad, you guys are representing, and we are super duper proud. Little but we talawa, and they always underestimate us Jamaican women, but we always come out kicking and fighting and beating butt. So let's get into the netball section. This comes directly from Jamaica's Gleaner. It says, Jamaica are all but through to the semi-finals of the Netball Women's World Cup after defeating Caribbean rivals Trinidad and Tobago 89-26 in their second Pool G game in Cape Town, South Africa today. Roman Aldan Akin George led the way with 38 goals, and I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name, hon, while Shanice Beckford got 20. Captain Janelle Fowler chipped in with 16 and Rebecca Robinson scored 15. Defensively, Jamaica limited Trinidad to 10 points in the first half before the Caribbean side improved in the second, but still only found that the net on 16 occasions. Jamaica are currently top of Pool G should reigning champions New Zealand defeat host South Africa in their clash, which tips off momentarily. Jamaica will qualify for the semi-finals before their 4 a.m. clash with New Zealand tomorrow morning. And I will be watching tomorrow morning to support our Sunshine Girls. If they win, I would be happy, but the fact that they made it this far, I'm equally as happy, and I hope everyone is supporting them because they need all the support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.